What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm right here. I'm a good friend, Sibi-Built. Make sure to check him out. His information is going to be in the description box below. But today we're going to be doing an alignment on my truck. It's going to be a super quick video, but I want to show you guys the quick process. If you guys do want to go ahead and get your alignment, make sure to check him out. He's going to be, once again, in the description box below. Let's go ahead and now get into the video. Today we are going to be fixing the alignment on my truck. It does pull a little bit to the side, and as you can see, we're going straight and the steering wheel is actually crooked. So it's not as bad as other times, but you can see the steering wheel is crooked and I'm going straight. Right now I am turning, but still, it needs it done.
What's up, guys? Welcome to our new shop. Here we have in-house alignment machine. We're just getting brand new tire equipment and we got everything set up last week. So we're here today. We're gonna get Jesse's messed up alignment, not so messed up anymore.
So check it out, you guys. I got my good friend Carson right there. I got Jason over there. All right, you guys, so of course, everybody that does have like an off-road vehicle and actually does use it, doesn't just use it as a pavement princess. You guys do know that the alignment kind of goes off. Even if you guys do have cam gussets and stuff like that, you guys know it's still gonna go off no matter what. So every once in a while, I do need an alignment. And sometimes with these type of vehicles, it is a little bit hard to find someone trustworthy that knows what they're actually doing, because these alignments are a little bit different. We're gonna be, of course, fixing that so that way I can drive straight. So I don't think my alignment's too bad. What do you think?
It looks pretty bad.
Oh, okay, so it is bad. So as you guys can tell, I mean, I don't know nothing about alignments, but all I see is red.
Everything is red, which means it's bad, yeah.
That does not look good.
This is not too bad, but we're gonna get it all squared away.
Heck yeah. Right now what they're doing is just kind of calibrating everything. They just put the clamps on. Once again, I don't know too much about it. I just know they're calibrating it right now, trying to get it to spec. Keep in mind, I do have a long travel kit, so it's, like I was saying earlier, it's not like a regular alignment where you get from a car. This one's a little bit more specific. You have to kind of play around with it a little more.
Jesse Rizzo is here for you. It's here for you now.
All right, guys, so we got the truck up on the rack here. Carson's gonna go ahead and start making the adjustments. What's nice now about having our own in-house rack is that we are able to make perfect adjustments after we do an install, because we always did the install and then had to have the alignment done. So if you look here, we can see Jesse's truck. It's pretty far off on camber and all the other stuff was messed up. His wheel was off to the right. Most shops would just adjust the toe and let it go, but we're gonna go ahead and get everything to the best of our ability and see how far we can get the adjustments and how perfect we can get it. Some stuff might be bent, but we'll see what we can do. Cool, so as you guys can see, he's making a lot of adjustments. Most shops won't do this, which is why it's really nice for us to have this now. We're able to dial in everything and get it perfect. Your truck has some bent stuff, so I think in the long run, it will be beneficial for you to get adjustable uppers, because now we're able to do adjustments on the upper control arm as well and get your guys' alignment perfect. Your truck's got a lot of off-road accessories, aftermarket parts, suspension, everything. And most shops will align it to the factory specs, which is no good for this. So we actually have custom spec sheets now that we're working on for basically, like, we can align any truck. Tacoma long travel, we have a 4Runner long travel, and we're gonna be adding a bunch of different vehicles to our alignment computer. That way, when you guys come in with whatever setup you guys have, we'll make it perfect for your needs.
Huge shout out to Sibi-Built. Trucks aligned, drive straight, super excited, check them out.
Jesse Rizzo is here for you. It's here for you now. Like I said, it's super simple. Please feel free to subscribe.